Welcome to Tuesday training. You can now make it so that limited users have the ability to add and remove tags from the order. Let me show you how to do that. You're going to go into your admin section, then click on settings, and then you're going to scroll down to tags. You can see that there are all your different tags here. You're going to be able to say which one limited users can view and also which ones they can toggle, which means turn on and off on the order. You can see I have these 4 available for them to view and for them to toggle. After I set these up, of course, I want to go down and hit Save Changes. Then I want to go check this user. So I'm going to go to My Team and look under one of my limited users. In this limited user, I can see that they can save orders. And so what that means is that they can make changes to the production status, which would affect the order. They can add or remove tags, or they can upload files to the order. So you need to have this turned on for your limited user. Now we're going to go and see what it looks like if we were that limited user. So here we are logged in as the limited user. I can go to the order. This is available on either your phone or the computer like this. So in the app, you will also be able to add or remove tags. And when I click edit to add or remove these tags, you can see I only see those 4 tags that limited users have permission to add or remove. So we can go ahead and add these 2. And we could also do that straight from the order. So let's say we went into the order and we were in the tag section here. I can edit them and remove some of them. And that's what a limited user can now do if you give them that permission.